Hi guys, today's topic is knapsack problem. So in this problem, what is there? You are given some items with their weights and profits. Okay, some items would be given with their weights and profits, and one container you are given, or you can say one knapsack. See, simply knapsack is what? It's like a bag that you carry on your back, or you can say shoulders. Okay, so suppose one container or one bag is given whose weight is also given, or you can say the size of this is also given, some kgs. This W will decide the maximum size to store these items. Okay, now what is this problem? Basically you have to select some items from the given items and you will put those items into this bag, or you can say container. Okay, and you have to select these items such that you will get the maximum profit. Let us suppose you have chosen some items from this and you have put these items into your bag, and suppose you are going to sell these items. Then आपको ऐसे items select करने हैं. When you will sell these items, then you will get the maximum profit. Okay, this is the knapsack problem. Suppose weight is given what? 20 kg. So you can select any number of items, but the total number of weight of the selected items would be less than or equal to 20, because आपके पास एक बैग है जिसमें आप you can carry only 20 kg weights. Okay, so आप इतने ही items आप choose कर सकते हो जिनका total number of weights of those items would be 20 kg. तो आपको ऐसे select करनी है so that the profit would be maximum. So two types of knapsack problem are there. One is 0-1 knapsack problem and second one is fractional knapsack problem. Okay, so today we will discuss what? 0-1 knapsack problem. What is there in this problem? Either you can pick the item completely or you will not pick the item. Means either 0 or 1. 0 means आपने उस item को pick नहीं किया है. 1 means you have picked that item, you can say the complete item. Suppose one item is having weight 2 kg. Okay, one is having weight 3 kg. So you can pick this item, so you have to pick that item completely. Means you have to pick 2 kg of this item. You cannot pick that, you cannot pick 1 kg of this item. Okay, 1 kg आपने pick कर लिया, 1 kg छोड़ दिया. No, the items would not be divisible. You will have to pick that item completely. Okay, let us suppose some indivisible things like laptop है, आपको complete laptop ही pick करना पड़ेगा. You cannot pick की screen आपने pick कर ली, बाकी उसका छोड़ दिया. और यू कैन से मिक्सर है आपका, तो वो भी आपको कंप्लीट पिक करना पड़ेगा, समथिंग लाइक दैट. ओके, सो दैट इज 0-1 knapsack प्रॉब्लम. ईदर यू विल पिक दैट आइटम कंप्लीटली और यू विल नॉट पिक दैट आइटम. ओके, दैट इज 0-1 knapsack प्रॉब्लम. फ्रैक्शनल में क्या होता है? यू कैन डिवाइड दैट आइटम. सपोज वन आइटम इज ऑफ 3 kg, यू कैन पिक ओनली 2 kg ऑफ दिस आइटम एंड यू कैन लेफ्ट 1 kg. ओके, it's not compulsory that you have to pick 3 kg of this item. This is the fractional knapsack problem, and this is solved with what? Greedy method. And 0-1 knapsack problem will be solved with dynamic programming method. Okay, so we'll take one example and we'll discuss the 0-1 knapsack problem. So let us take one example. Here weights are given 3, 4, 6 and 5. Profits are also given 2, 3, 1, 4. Okay, and the W is given what? 8. Suppose we are taking 8 kg. Weight is given 3 kg, 4 kg, 6 kg and 5 kg, and the weight is W is what? 8 kg. Or you can say that bag in which you will store, you will pick the item and you will keep that items. Okay, that bag is having capacity 8 kg. Okay, and here we have number of items what? 4 number of items we have. Fine. Now one method is what? You can write in, you can say xi. Suppose x is any item. We will write what? Like this, 1 0 0 1. It means यहाँ पे 1 है. It means we have selected the first item, we haven't selected second item, we haven't selected third item, we have selected what? Fourth item having weight 5. Something like this. We will write the answer in this form, 1 and 0 form. Okay. Now, if you have total number of items 4, then how many combinations would be possible? Suppose one combination is 0 0 0 1, another one is 0 1 0 1, something like this. We have 4 items na, having weight 3, 4, 6 and 5. So total number of combination would be 2 raised to power 4, that is 16. Either you can make the 16 combinations and you can check which combination you will select so that you will get the maximum profit. Okay. Or second approach is what, we will solve this method using what? Dynamic programming approach. Now what is dynamic programming approach? I have told you many times that in dynamic programming the complicated problem will be divided into sub problems, and ultimately when you solve the sub problems, then you will use the solution of the sub problems and ultimately you will get the result of, or you can say the solution of the complicated, the final problem. Okay. You will not solve the complete problem at once. We divide that problem into sequence of steps. Fine. Now how this problem would be solved using dynamic programming approach? Now the very first thing is you are supposed to draw a matrix. Okay, now this is the matrix you have drawn. So this side we have taken what? From 0 to 8, because total weight is given is what? 8. जो bag है आपके पास उसका total weight, total maximum capacity is what? 8. Then you will write from 0 to 8. Okay. Now this side we have taken what? Weights and profits, and the one variable, that is I. I would be from 0 to 4. First we will write what? 0, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 items, then 0 to 4. That total would be 5, total number of items plus 1. Here we have written what? Weight of each item, and here we have written what? Profit of each item. And see, these weights should be written according to their, or you can say the in ascending order. Weight is 3, 4, 6 and 5, but I have written here what? 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 6. These should be in increasing order, or you can say the ascending order. Okay. Now according to that you will write the profit 2, 3, 4 and then 1. Now you will fill this table. We are not taking the complete weight at a time. See, we have divided this problem into the sequence of steps, 8 sub steps. First we will take the weight, total weight, suppose we have 0, then we will increase the weight one by one, and these are the sub problems. This answer of sub problems would be, you know, written in the these columns or cells, and finally here in the final cell you will get the answer. Okay, because finally weight is what? 8. Now let us start. How you will fill this table? First row and first column would be what? Column would be what? 0, because weight is what? 0. You are taking a bag having weight 0. Then obviously we cannot select any item. Okay, and first row also would be what? First row में क्या है अपने पास? We don't have any item, because here what we have? 0. We don't have any item, so we will write what? 0. This is what? 0 and 0, first row and first column. Now you have to fill these cells. How you will fill this one? Find out. Here what we have? Weight is what? Weight of item is what? 3. Now we have only one item. In available set we have what? One item having weight 3. We don't have these items. Okay, these below items. We have only one item, because I value is what? Now 1. This is I value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the value of this W 0 to 8. Now if you have one item having weight 3. Okay, and the weight of the bag is what? The capacity is what? 1. Can you fill a bag having capacity 1 kg with an item having weight 3 kg? No, we cannot fill. So we will write here what? 0. Now here what we have? A bag of capacity 2. We cannot put this item having weight 3. See, because it's 0-1 knapsack problem. आपको ये लेना है, या तो complete 3 kg आप लोगे, नहीं तो आप क्या करोगे? आप इसका either you will pick that item completely or you will don't pick that item. Okay. Or simple trick is, if weight is 3, then up to 0 to 2 you will write what? The above values. Copy the value of above cell 0, 0 and 0. Now at 3, now you have a bag of capacity 3 and weight of that item is also 3. You can pick this item. Obviously we can keep this item here. If you will pick this item, then profit would be what? 2. Then here you will write what? 2. Okay. Now in this case we have a bag of capacity 4. Obviously we can put, we have only one item having weight 3, then we can put this one, then profit would be what? 2. So here also 2, here 2, here 2 and here also we'll have 2 because we have only one item that is having weight 3. So अगर आप 3 में पुट कर सकते हो तो 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 में भी आप उसको पुट कर सकते हो. Next is what? I value is increased and I value is now what? 2. Okay, now we have two items. We have one is item having weight 3, one is having weight 4. Now you have to fill this one. Total weight is what? We have one bag having size what? 1 kg. Can we put this one, this item having weight 4 kg? No, we cannot put this item here. Okay. So what you will do here is you will write what? The value of the above cell, that is 0. Okay. Now weight is what? Only 2. Can you put this item? No, we cannot select because weight of this item is 4, that is greater than 2. Can you select this item? No, we cannot select this one because 3 is also greater than 2. So we will write here what? 0. Or simple step is what? If this weight is 4, then from 0 to 3, 0, 1, 2, 3 less than this 4, you will copy the all values from the above cell. That is from 0, 1, 2, 3. Here what you will write, we will copy the value from the above cell. Okay, now for this cell, we have two items now. One is having weight 3, one is having weight 4, and the total weight is what? 4. Now we have two choices. Either you will select this one or you will not select this one. If you will select this one here, then the profit would be what? 3. Okay, and 3 plus what you have to do is you have to find out maximum. 3 plus you will go one step up, and what you have to do is, see here what weight is what? 4. We have selected this one, then 4 minus 4 is what? 0. Then we will go to the column having weight 0. Here what we have? 0. 3 plus 0. Or this one, maximum of this new value or the value just above this cell. A value above this cell is what? 2. Why we have taken this value? If we have selected this one, then the profit would be 3 plus 0. If we will not select this one, the only remaining item is what? 3. Then you have to select this item, and the profit of this item is what? 2. And here what it has written, that is 2. So best of 3 and 2 is what? Maximum of this one is what? 3. Then we will write here what? 3. Okay. Now next is, here we have total weight is what? 5. If and available items is what? 4 and 3. Now you have to select maximum of, see, if we select this item, we are selecting this 4. We can select this 4 because total weight is what? We have 5. Then if we have selected this item, then profit would be what? 3 plus remaining weight is what? 5 minus 4, that is 1. Go to the above cell and go to the column having weight 1. Here what is the value? 0. 3 plus 0. Or the value just above this cell. What the value is what is? 2. Maximum of 3 and 2 is what? 3. We will select, we will write here what? 3. See, if you will not select this one, then only remaining item is what? 3. Then you have to select this 3, and the weight, the profit is what? 2. So this one is written here is 2. So here we have taken this what? The value from the above cell, that is 3. Same with this one. Suppose we have selected this one, then profit is what? 3 plus, what is the value of this weight? 6. 6 minus 4 is what? 2. Go to the above row and then you have to go to the column having weight 2. 6 minus 4, 2, that is 0. 3 plus 0. Or you will take this one, the value in the above cell, 3 and 2. Maximum is what? 3. Okay. Now for this cell, we have now in available set we have two items having weight 3 and 4. If we select this 4, we have to find out the maximum. If we select this 4, then the profit is what? 3 plus, you have selected this 4 and the total weight is what? 7. The remaining weight is what? 7 minus 4, that is 3. Okay. Now go to the upper row and find out the column having weight 3. Now see, here what is the profit? That is 2. So 3 plus 2, and maximum of this one, or what is the value in the upper cell? That is 2. The maximum of 5 and 2. What is the maximum? That is 5. We will take here what? 5. Sorry. For this one, same case. Suppose we have selected this 4, then you have to find out maximum of, if you selected this 4, then profit is what? 3. 3 plus, we have selected this 4, but the weight is what? Total weight is what? 8. The remaining weight is what? 8 minus 4, that is 4. Now go to the upper row and find out the column having weight 4. Here profit is what? 2. 3 plus 2, and in upper row we have what? 2. Maximum of this one is what? 5. Now I value is increased by 1. Now we have those 3 items in our available set. Now next item is what? Having weight 5. Simple trick is what from 0 to 4 you will copy the value from the upper cell, 0, 0, 2 and 3. From 0 to 4, because here we have what? 5. Okay. Now at 5 you have to find out the best case. Now you can select, either you can select this 5 or you will not select this 5. If we select this 5, then profit would be what? For this one, profit is what? 4. 4 plus, find out the remaining weight. Total weight is 5. We have selected 5. Remaining is what? 5 minus 5, 0. Go to the upper row and find out the column having weight 0. Here what we have value, or you can say the profit is 0. And what is the value in the upper cell? आप यहाँ पे fill कर रहे हो, then you have to find out the value just in the upper cell, that is 3 out of 4 and 3, which is maximum, that is 4. Here also maximum of, suppose you have selected this 5. Now profit is what? 4 plus, we have total weight 6, we have selected 5, remaining weight is what? 6 minus 5, that is 1 only. Go to the upper row and go to the column having weight 1. Here what we have value? 0. 4 plus 0. In the upper row we have 3 out of 4 and 3. Which one is maximum? That is 4. Now in the case of 7, you have to find out same case maximum. If you select this 5, profit is what? 4 plus, we have selected 5 and the total weight is 7. Remaining weight we have what is? 7 minus 5, that is 2. Go to the upper row and go to the column having weight 2. Here what we have? 0. 4 plus 0. In the upper row we have what? 5. Now out of 4 and 5, which one is maximum? 5. We will select what? 5. Okay. Now next, here same case, maximum of, we have selected, suppose this 5 having item having weight 5. Profit of this is what? 4. 4 plus, total weight is 8. Remaining weight is 8 minus 5, that is 3. Go to the upper row, go to the column having weight 3. Here what we have value? 2. 4 plus 2. In the upper row what we have? 5. Out of 6 and 5, the maximum is 6. Okay. Now for the last row, we have now I value is increased by 1. We have now 4 items in our available set, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now agar weight is what? 6. Then from 0 to 5 you will copy the value from the upper cell as it is. Now for 6, 2 cases, either you will select this 6 or you will not select this one. Okay, you have to find out the best case. If we select this 6 one, suppose we have select this one 6, then weight is what? The profit is what? 1. Okay, plus, now remaining weight is what? Total weight is 6. 6 minus 6, 0. Go to the upper row. Here what we have? In the 0th column having 0 value is what? Profit is what? 0. 1 plus 0. In the upper row what we have? 4. Out of 1 and 4, which one is maximum? 4. Here in this case, maximum of, suppose we have selected 6, same, profit is 1 plus 7 minus 6, that is 1. In the upper row, go to the column having weight 1, 0. 1 plus 0. In upper row what we have? 5. Out of 1 and 5, which one is maximum? 5. Here also you have to find out maximum of 1 plus 8 minus 6, that is 2. In the upper row, in the column having weight 2, we have what? Profit 0. In the upper cell what we have? 6. Out of 1 and 6, which one is maximum? That is 6. Okay. Now here the answer would be in the last row and last column, 6. The maximum profit would be what? 6. Okay. The formula is, see, I am just writing the formula here. You can check out that formula. How you will fill out a particular cell. What is the formula? Suppose the name of this matrix is, I am taking M. m of I and w, particular cell, suppose this cell would be m of I and w. I value is what? This 3, and w value for this cell is what? This 3, m of 3 and 3. How you will fill out this value? Maximum of m of I minus 1 or w, or m of I minus 1, this w minus w of I plus profit of that item. Fine. You can verify this formula also. Suppose we are taking any example of this one, this cell. For this one suppose value of I is what? 4, value of w is what? 7. Now maximum of m, I minus 1, that is 3, w is what? 7, okay, comma m, I minus 1, 3, w is what? 7, 7 minus weight of I is what? 4, weight of I is what? 6, 7 minus 6 plus profit of I value is what? 4, here profit of this one is what? 1. Here what we have? M of 3 and 7, I value is 3, here w value is 7, means this cell value is what? 5, comma 7 minus 6, that is 1, m of 3, 1, I value is 3, here what we have? W value m, here what we have? 0 plus this 1, out of 5 and 1, which one is maximum? That is 5. और हमने भी यहाँ पे क्या fill किया हुआ था? 5. So this is the formula to fill out this table. Okay. Now you have to find out that if you will select that item or you will not select that item, मतलब 0 and 1, then how you will find out that thing? We have what? 4 items. Suppose x I am writing, here I will write 0 or 1. You will select, either you will select that item or you will not select that item. Now what is the procedure? Now here you will get the answer. The maximum profit would be what? 6. Okay. Now pointer is at this place. Now what you have to do is just check out the above cell. Here also what we have? 6. Okay. Then we will not select this item. In the above cell also we have the same value. Okay. Now pointer is here. Now go to the upper row. Here we have 6. No, we don't have 6 because यहाँ पे 5 है, यहाँ पे 6 हुआ है. In that case we will select this item. That is, we will select a weight item having weight 5. और वो कौन सा है हमारे पास? The last one. The last one में I will write what? 1. और ये अपना कौन सा था? weight 6. weight 6. ये अपना था ये third one. Okay. Now what you have to do is, हमने ये select कर लिया है, ठीक है. Now profit is what? 6. We have selected this one and profit of this is what? 4. The remaining profit is what? 6 minus 4, that is 2. Now check out in the above row, do we have 2? Yes, we have this 2. Fine, pointer is here now. Now check out in the upper row, do we have 2? Yes, we have 2. Now pointer would be in the upper row. Now in the upper row, go to the upper row. Is there any 2? No, we don't have any 2. Then we will select this one, this item having weight 3. That is this item 1, but we haven't selected this item having weight 4. Fine, we have selected this item. Now after selecting this item, the profit is what? 2. Remaining profit अपने पास क्या था? 2 and the profit हमारे पास यहाँ क्या है? 2. Remaining is what? 0. In the above row we have 0, but we have reached to what? The 0th row. So that's it. 1, 0, 0 and 1. We will select this item and this item. 5 plus 3. We can select these items because total weight is what? 8. That is fine, because maximum weight should be what? That weight of item should be what? Less than or equal to W. And the second approach to find out which item we have selected is, see, we have find out the result, or you can say the maximum profit in the last row and last column, that is 6. Now what you have to do is, one pointer is here, this place. Now this pointer would be move upward. Here what we have? 6. Okay. Now again upward direction. Now here the value is what? 5. The value has been changed. यहाँ पे 5 थी, यहाँ पे 6 हो गई है. In that case we will select this weight, that is 5. And here what we have? 1, और इसको हमने select नहीं किया 6 को. Here what we have? This one is x3 is what? 0. Okay. x1, x2, x3 and x4. Okay. Now next we have selected this one. Now what you have to do is, weight is what? 8. We have selected this weight, that is 5. Remaining weight would be 8 minus 5, that is 3. Fine. Now go to the upper row and go to the column having weight 3. See, remaining weight is 3. Now you have to go to this column, this 3. The value is what? 2. Go to the upper row, the value is what? 2. Will not select this one, will not select this 4. Go to the upper one, the value has been changed. So we will select this 3. Here 3, मतलब 1, 4 को हमने select नहीं किया, that is 0. Fine. इसको हमने select कर लिया, ठीक है. Now what you have to do is, weight is what? Corresponding to this cell is what? 3. We have selected this item, weight is what? 3. 3 minus 3, that is 0. Now go to the upper row and go to the column having weight 0, that is 0. We have reached to the initial point and this is the answer. So you can find out the answer using this weight also and by looking the profit also. Okay. So this is the 0-1 knapsack problem. In next video I will discuss that next one, that fractional knapsack problem. Till then, bye bye, take care.